एवरीवन और आप सभी का बहुत स्वागत है शुभ शादी स्टोरीज पे। यहाँ पे हम रियल लाइफ कपल्स को इनवाइट करते हैं और सचमुच जानते हैं, सीखते हैं कि उन्होंने अपने जीवन में ऐसे क्या अभ्यास किए जिनकी वजह से उनकी मैरिड लाइफ और कहीं ज़्यादा खूबसूरत बीती। आज हमारे साथ जो गेस्ट हैं आर सो स्पेशल एंड क्लोज टू अस बिकॉज उन्होंने अपने जीवन में अपनी मैरिड लाइफ पे तो काम किया बट अपने इंडिविजुअल सेल्फ्स पे बहुत जल्दी काम करना शुरू कर दिया। सो वी हैव अविचल जी हु इज़ अ बिजनेसमैन बाय प्रोफेशन। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग हियर। एंड वी हैव सिंधु जी, हिज बेटर हाफ। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग हियर एंड आई एम वेरी लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू आप दोनों से बहुत कुछ सीखने के लिए। मेरी जितनी उम्र नहीं है उससे कहीं ज़्यादा आप दोनों का मैरिड लाइफ एक दूसरे के साथ है। सो थैंक यू एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग हियर।
Thank you very much for having us over here
थैंक यू।
and keenly interested in our life. So thank you very much.
Thank you. So मतलब I think we will straight up jump to आप एक दूसरे से कैसे मिले and किस साल में मिले and कुछ उस बारे में बताएं। What was your first interaction and how did you know कि आप एक दूसरे के साथ ही married life अपनी बिताना चाहते हैं?
We both are from the same place, Bathinda, Punjab, and our families knew each other. So during my school days, I had a sort of dream that I shall get married to this girl, but we were not very much interactive.
But we never
just-
met before.
No, but you knew about her from before.
Yeah, we'd
because of
seen
the-
each other, but we
We
never
have
met
seen each
before.
other, but we never knew each other.
How cool!
Yeah, so I thought of marrying her, and in those days, like I am 63 born, she is 64 born, and we were from a very middle town. So उस time there was no such thing as कि you have a lot of choices, you go out and find out about the girl or the boy. So my father and his father, they were friends. So said कि let's join the relationship, and we had one meeting and said okay. So we moved ahead with the marriage. It was in
What made you say yes?
I had a lot of choices. I didn't want to marry in my hometown. I didn't want to marry a single only son. But after his like match or what, I said yes. Okay, this is done.
What made you say yes? Okay.
I liked him.
Okay.
A very handsome guy.
Wow, wonderful. तो मतलब जब आपने एक दूसरे को स्टार्टिंग सो व्हाट आर सम क्वालिटीज जो आपको उनमें बहुत अच्छी लगी एंड लाइकवाइज आपके लिए?
So as I said, there was no kind of thing कि लड़की की क्या qualities है या लड़के की क्या qualities है. Family proposed. Only thing was कि इसकी family अच्छी है, मेरी
नहीं, बट जब शादी हो गई तो उसके बाद क्या अच्छी लगी चीजें आपको उनमें?
उसके बाद if we go about the initial phase of our marriage, around 8-10 years, since she has her own independent mind, I have my own independent mind, and I was brought in a situation where girl has to be little docile or agreeing to whatever husband says. So she's not that kind of girl.
वेरी गुड।
So that was challenging part
तो
for.
फिर क्या किया जब आपको चाहिए थी और आपका अपना इंडिपेंडेंट फ्रेम ऑफ थॉट था? देन व्हाट?
You somehow knowing or unknowingly you start let going things.
ओके
Okay, sometimes yes, sometimes no. I mean, start learning things.
ओके
And then in 97, I did the Landmark Forum. It's a personal training program. You know about it. And I did in August 97. Then she followed up in October 97. So what we
That
discovered in that was there is an inherent commitment that we both of us have towards the marriage. But we were not able to articulate it or communicate it effectively to each other. Then in one of the communications we had a say discord or fight. But in that fight, what we both came to was that fundamentally we are going to stay together. That is the fundamental thing.
कि कुछ भी हो जाए।
So now it is our choice whether to stay upset, whether to blame each other, or start looking at each other's points as
नो बट मेनी टाइम्स जब वो झगड़ा हो रहा होता है या डिस्कॉर्ड हो रहा होता है एंड इट्स रियली फ्यूमिंग, आई एम श्योर, तो उस समय यू डोंट फील लाइक अंडरस्टैंडिंग या लेटिंग गो या वो, तो क्या जब ये आपकी लाइफ में आता है, आर यू एबल टू इमीडिएटली डू दैट या फिर कोई जब तक आपने लैंडमार्क नहीं किया था या बाकी एजुकेशन नहीं की थी, वर यू एबल टू, या फिर आपको लगता है जब आपने सीखना शुरू किया तो दिस प्रोसेस बिकेम मच इजियर फॉर यू? उस बारे में थोड़ा बताओ.
Before it used to like we had a fight, then we never used to talk to each other for like 1 week, 10 days. Then after landmark, it showed us the other side of the coin. It takes about 1 hour, 2 hour. Now so it's like okay, done. Next, what next?
तो
Like that.
गुस्से का टाइम बिकेम शॉर्टर.
Very short.
बट आई वांट टू नो बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल थिंक कि शादी मीन्स अब तो यही है, एंड दे डोंट थिंक कि एक नई पॉसिबिलिटी एग्जिस्ट हो सकती है कि वही सेम इंसान जिसके साथ मे बी हफ्ता या 10 दिन तक लड़ाई चल रही है वो घंटे में या मिनट्स में भी सॉल्व हो सकती है. तो व्हाट चेंज्ड, लाइक आपके माइंडसेट में व्हाट चेंज्ड सो दैट मे बी समबडी हु इज वाचिंग दिस कैन आल्सो सी दैट यू नो इट कैन बी वर्कड आउट?
We started giving space to each other.
ओके.
Breathing space. Okay, that's your way. This is my way. Now what?
वी मे नॉट एग्री.
But we are staying together, and this is what we actually want. Okay, we want that. The focus was that. You go this way or you go this way. We want that, or that was the focus.
कि रास्ते अलग हो सकते
हाँ.
हैं बट
Ultimate goal was that. Yeah.
ओके, वेरी गुड.
And also earlier I used to think as a daughter-in-law, if she used to say something about my mother or my sister कि ये ऐसा नहीं कर रहे या इसको ऐसा कर लेते हैं, let's say about her eating habits or about her health. So I had certain view कि it has to be dealt with in this way. She has her own viewpoint कि it can be dealt in this way. The moment she used to say this can be done in this way, I would not listen to it as her point of view, which can be beneficial for my mother's health. I use ये करना नहीं चाहती. But when I started listening from that, we have a common commitment.
बट हाउ डिड यू चेंज दैट लिसनिंग? बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स वो ये ना कि आप अलग लैंग्वेज बोल रहे हो, आपका पार्टनर अलग लैंग्वेज बोल रहा है, तो वो कम्युनिकेशन के ब्रिज, मतलब उसको ब्रिज कैसे किया आपने?
वो उसमें लैंडमार्क ने हमारा काफ़ी सपोर्ट किया कि उसमें एक दूसरे की कमिटमेंट के टुवर्ड्स वी स्टार्टेड गेटिंग प्रेजेंट टू, and also we started getting present to as she said, we started giving space to each other, listening to each other's point of view.
So
It's not necessary if she is giving some point of view, it has to be agreed upon or followed.
So मेरा लाइक विल यू रिकमेंड जो कपल्स हैं या इंडिविजुअल्स हैं कि उनको अपनी पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट पे या अपने माइंडसेट पे या सोच पे डायरेक्टली इनडायरेक्टली काम करते रहना चाहिए?
Definitely, and we are married for last 37 years. So it's not after training ourselves, going through various training programs, we are into this gratitude practice since 20, or we are listening to various books or reading various books, our relationship is going straight line. Our relationship is on a straight line. No relationship is a straight line relationship.
Yeah.
It's always up down, up down. So relationship has to be, it's a creative phenomenon. So every day, every moment, you have to be in the presence of other person's magnificence, and that is a created thing.
तो कैसे करते हो क्रिएट एक दूसरे के लिए मैग्निफिसेंस? डे टू डे लाइफ में ऐसी क्या चीज़ें करते हो कि आपको इनके अंदर मैग्निफिसेंस दिखे और आपको उनके अंदर?
For me, hearing and listening are two different things. We just hear things. We don't listen. So after I discovered that, I started questioning myself. When I hear something, then I question, what am I listening? That changes. Ups and downs come, but how fast we get over it, that matters.
And that is your personal ability
is my
that you've developed. Okay, all right. But do you like consciously put in effort to appreciate each other or
I do.
appreciate each other's efforts or something like that?
Yeah, a lot of times I do. It's like ये think ना लड़ाई हुई है तो now she'll be face रूठा हुआ होगा, she won't do this. So then I think, okay, now he must be thinking I won't do this. Okay, I'll do the opposite of it. I try that at times
Good, very good,
to
lovely,
change it.
beautiful. And मतलब as life went on, you know, आपकी शादी के पहले 6-7 years आपने बोला was that life went on.
We were discovering each other.
I think that's a lifelong process to
Yeah, it's
be
still
in discovery.
still we are doing it.
Yeah, I think that's
Yep,
a,
because priorities keep changing.
हाँ, तो वही मुझे था मतलब did you find a what are the top 3 things that you appreciate कि इनके अंदर ये qualities are like brilliant and likewise आपके अंदर उनके लिए? And आपने एक बहुत beautiful चीज़ बताई before we started recording कि you both are very different nature wise.
Yeah.
मतलब तो what do you mean by that? And उसको फिर कैसे how do you intend to like still balance it out? What is different?
I'm more aggressive. अभी करना है तो like अभी करना है. That way. And he's more stable. He'll think about it. He'll plan it, and then he'll do it. I mean, somehow I like that because irrational things also make worse. So the planning also works at times.
Okay. So how do you balance it? जब आप कहते हो अभी करो and वो कहते हैं थोड़ा आराम से करते हैं या something like that.
वो that takes a little more time to settle down.
But then you're able.
Then I'm able to.
So I think that's the beautiful thing कि there is no right pathway.
Yeah.
I think जैसे आपने बहुत beautifully बोला कि it's okay. Final result ये है ना,
जी.
आपका तरीका जल्दी जल्दी हो सकता है, मेरा आराम से हो सकता है, but we can reach there.
You see, there are certain qualities about her. She is more settled. When we eat food, she is eating very peacefully, very calmly. मेरे को होता है खाओ like that shows she is settled. And she is more observant, practical, and she
Sensitive.
cannot be disturbed easily. I am sometimes emotionally tend to get hyper or tend to get frustrated, but she has a very calming effect. Earlier it used to be यार मेरे को चिंता हो रही है और ये आराम से बैठी है, इसको कोई concern ही नहीं है. But now I see like the way she is calm, cool in a tough situation, that has a calming effect on the whole environment. Not only me, but it has a calming effect on the family, my children, it has a very calming effect.
So आपने बताया कि आपने 2020 से gratitude की practice करनी शुरू की.
Yes.
उससे क्या हुआ? मतलब you've already been thankfully, under great programs, but how did you actively start practicing gratitude and how did that impact, if it did?
We were not even aware of कि we had to thank the nature or thank the divine for all the blessings. And after coming to this gratitude practice, then we realized, oh, ये तो कभी किया ही नहीं, दिमाग में भी नहीं आया कभी. Now ongoingly we keep doing it. अभी जैसे we had gone to the rainforest, it was raining, तो we had to go for the trips. बारिश हो रही है तो कैसे जाएंगे, अम्ब्रेला लो, रेनकोट पहनो. Then I used to gratitude I used to pay. No rain till I go. Demand and gratitude. कि no rain till we roam around. After that rain. So as soon as we used to sit in the car, it used to start raining, and when we were roaming around, no rain.
Wow,
That was the magic working.
very good, wonderful.
You think she like the forest trip. Similarly, this kind of some adventurous trips or tough trips, sometimes I don't like going. I am fearful. Sometimes she is fearful. But we go together.
Wow, that's so beautiful.
My daughter planned a trek in the Himalayas. It was a 7-day trek, around 42-50 kilometers walk in the Himalayas.
Wow, that is very adventurous indeed.
Yeah, and we were 10-15 people on the trip, and the whole trek was only 20 people that in our group.
Wow.
So day 1 at night I got scared. कि अगर कुछ हो गया तो क्या होगा? So then she said, okay, don't worry, कुछ नहीं होगा. And she said very few words, and those like were such a calming effect, and our trip went like anything. It was so adventurous, so beautiful, so enjoying, and it elevated our confidence at this point of age, where people are saying कि भी अभी आप आराम करो, आपकी ये उम्र नहीं है, so you are doing this. So it elevates the confidence in ourselves, elevates the confidence of the whole work, gratitude, manifestation. कि it's nothing. You can manifest anything, it can done.
Yeah, people keep saying, घर में बैठो कहाँ जा रहे हो? And we keep planning another adventure. Let's go try.
Similarly, this trip, everybody was like, my children were little skeptical कि मम्मा डरेगी, रात का अंधेरा है, whether she will be able to do it or not. So we had our moments of fear in the trip because we are in dense forest and very few people.
Do share some pictures of that. We'll be happy to insert. I think people will be happy to see. मेरे को ही सुन के अंदर से लग रहा है नहीं तू क्या बोलती रहती है कुछ सीख. So I think.
So the moment they set us a list of essential, mandatory and optional. So that the leech socks you bring.
कि लीच चिपके ना पैर पे.
लीच चिपके ना. तो we were finding वो नहीं मिली हमें. So we had long socks. So we entered their premises. So their dining hall. Then there is a separate room where you put off your shoes and all that, and we are sitting there. Suddenly we saw that they are doing this. They are
my
what is
The
this?
leech
Small
bites.
leeches, and they would
Leech
and in that space, leeches were there.
I am awestruck.
Yeah, they were like put your
Mosquito.
feet down and something
वो
is crawling
पता
up.
भी नहीं कहाँ पे है कहाँ नहीं है.
God.
So he took us at night trip
Night trip.
in the forest, and when we came back, we were taking
The
torch.
best part was with the torch he was hunting something. क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? Scorpion ढूंढ रहा हूँ दिखाने के लिए black this big black scorpion. भाई क्या कर रहा है? काट लेगा.
आपको सारी हमने अच्छी तरह अपने कपड़े वपड़े ये वो उतार के बॉडी में टॉर्च मार के चेक कर लिया कि कोई लीच तो नहीं है.
15-20 minutes to check लीच तो नहीं है कोई.
I was lying down on the bed and suddenly I saw something crawling on my feet. I said ये क्या हो गया? और देखा तो इतनी मोटी लीच.
After sucking blood, she
That
had come
was
out.
in the
Oh God, you are laughing at me.
at the web of my finger. वहाँ से उसने ब्लड सक किया तो वो गिर गई. तो शी सेड इसने ब्लड सक किया तुम्हारे कहीं मैं मेरे को तो फील ही नहीं हुआ. बट आई पुट डाउन माय फीट और ब्लड वहाँ से लीक कर यूज कर रहा था.
After the leech sucks, na, it stops clotting, so the blood
अपने आप
flows.
ही-
What keeps the adventure alive is my bigger question. Like,
So it was like she said कि मेरा तो हो गया अभी हम
And trust in each other.
अभी हम जा रहे हैं सुबह. मैं कोई बात नहीं अभी तू चिंता मत कर अब तो हो गया ना जो होना है.
वाह
तो देखेंगे सुबह अब नहीं कमरे में नहीं आएगी अब.
वाह
So
क्या बात है.
Next day was another adventure. While going on the track, तो it was slippery, बारिश हो रही इतनी, तो suddenly going to fall and पेड़ को पकड़ा तो snake वहाँ पे. भाई,
I love how you're laughing at all of. I would
this
have just been ah!
this much snake and cobra. That area has cobra.
ये तो अलग ही शौक है आपके.
हाँ, तो वो-
Next level adventure is
So
going
it was
on.
like
We were like the guy knew cobra है यहाँ पे and we didn't know what to look. क्या ढूंढना है क्या देखना है. Those guys had ears and eyes for everything. तो we were lacking कि हमें नहीं समझ आ रहा क्या है ये. That
But I think you just being there means
Yeah,
a lot.
that-
I know.
Yeah, it's like
I
a
mean, that's amazing.
lot of fear like dealing with fear. Yesterday we were talking what stops you, what are
Yes.
your negatives
Yes.
that stops you.
Yes.
So those fears like being together with each other in each other's company, trusting each other. So we came down yesterday morning. We started from there. We were in the mandir, the Sringeri Mandir. This is one of the 4 mutts that were established by Adi Shankaracharya. So I was, we were praying, and suddenly one leech came out of my
Oh
head,
my
and
God, oh my
for 2
God.
hours in my hair. I went.
Oh
We have
God.
no. So it was full of.
I hope you're all clean.
we were wondering कि इस luggage के साथ तो नहीं leech आ गई. 5-star people will say how leeches how come.
There were a lot of greenery, lot of rain, lot of trees, lot of leeches.
मुझे लीची पसंद है, लीचेस नहीं पसंद.
So
Oh,
it was one of the dreams I have that we
But-
shall stay in a forest.
Very nice.
So
very
this got, and it's like out of blue. The moment this trip retreat offer came, I spoke to her. She said, "चलेंगे south में, we are not been there." So without thinking twice or anything, we just registered. After that, when we registered and we are booking, so I said कि जा रहे हैं तो let's find out something around Mangalore. So if we can.
अच्छी चीज है. This is I'm आप दोनों में वो explorer nature is there कि
Yes.
जा रहे हो तो कुछ और
अगर
explore
कुछ
करो,
आस पास
और
है तो
explore
once we are
करो.
going to, why not to spend 1 or 2 days extra and.
Lovely.
And we were finding, and then my son supported in this, and he said this is the rainforest which has second highest rainfall after the Cherrapunji.
अरे वाह.
So we then started finding out a location, comfortable location, and we find out right inside the forest.
So sorry to.
Yeah, please.
So anybody who's watching this, is there a message जो आप देना चाहोगे? Like when it comes to marriage and couples, a completion message on how it can be or what
Before
it should-
completion, I would like to add another thing. I did a magic book in May 20. So before that, I did a program on health in March or April 20. Inside of that, I saw a vision or a dream that life can be lived without chemical induced medicines. And through this book and with continuous practice and all that, we both started visualizing that we can live a medicine free life. And in March 24, we got in touch with a naturopath. She first joined that program, and within 1.5 month of practicing whatever was there in that program, she was off her BP medicine, which she has been taking for 25 years. Her chronic headache, 40 years chronic headache, she gone. That was gone. And then we were going on that lady was taking us on a retreat. तो I said तुम चले जाओ यार, ये तुम कर रहे हो तो मेरे को क्यों लेके जा रहे हो. तो she said कि we go to, जहाँ पे भी जाते हैं इकट्ठे जाते हैं, तो ये भी इकट्ठे ही करेंगे, या तो इकट्ठे जाएंगे, नहीं मैं भी नहीं जाऊंगी. तो मई में हम वहाँ गए. जून 11th आई ज्वाइंट, एंड विद इन 6 months आई वॉज ऑफ माई डायबिटीज मेडिसिन,
Wow.
which is believed to be non-reversible, or you cannot off your. So now for 2 years we are living
More than 2 years.
medicine
2.5
free life.
years.
Wow.
One
No,
and a half years
no
we are living
medicine.
medicine free, no medicine.
But this is so beautiful ना कि आप दोनों ने पहले सपना देखा कि अब ऐसी लाइफ
ऐसी लाइफ भी जी सकते हैं.
Wow.
So a lot of my friends.
I mean, lockdown came as a blessing for us.
Wow. No, but I am learning this from both of you कि आप जो भी सीख रहे हो साथ में सीख रहे हो, जो भी एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हो साथ में कर रहे हो. किसी का मन है नहीं है तब भी साथ में कर रहे हो.
I mean, we pull each other.
हाँ, so I think that's
So beautiful, and more than me, she sees my point of view, and if there is any adventure, she initial resistance she gives up very fast, and then wherever we go, we enjoy that place and space.
So anything you would like to say before we come to completion for the people who are watching this?
I mean, deep down, it's love for each other which works. It's gratitude then comes later on. It's before it's.
Love मतलब
I mean, after all, even while fighting or not agreeing to each other, we love each other deep down. So that makes us
पता है
overcome
कि मैं
things.
उनकी टीम में हूँ
हाँ,
और हम
right.
साथ में ही हैं. Something like that.
We are working together for something good, even if we are fighting.
Very good. Wow, that's so powerful.
That.
Thank you.
You see, for me, if we are clear about our purpose and commitment in the relationship, and we can communicate that to each other, and that communication is received, then ups and downs, whatever the things come in the way, they will not stop you in moving towards that commitment.
Makes sense.
Moment in, I think it was 98 or 99, when we had a, say, let's say, very bitter fight, and in that fight what came out was कि कुछ भी हो जाए, we are staying together and we are for each other. And then, like I said, it's like this, sometimes upside up the line is very little and down the line is very high, but that journey, that remains in the focus.
बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल कि एंड रिजल्ट पता है
साथ
जो
ही
करना है करो.
करना और लड़ना है.
Very good.
अच्छा, फिर अपसेट रहना है, नहीं बोलना.
हाँ,
कितने दिन नहीं बोलना?
हाँ.
1 घंटा, 2 घंटे, 10 दिन, महीने बाद क्या होगा?
बोलोगे?
बोलेंगे. खाएंगे भी इकट्ठा, हंसेंगे भी इकट्ठा, घूमने भी इकट्ठा जाएंगे.
हाँ.
तो why to waste 30 days or 10 days or 1 week? Why not
Solve it right
at the
away.
earliest, right
Yeah.
away?
What we do is we disagree on something. Okay, leave it aside. Carry on next. Then we come back to that when we are refreshed and the thought is changed. Then we come back to that topic and then we release it.
Makes sense.
Like
Very good.
like it is said that where your attention is, energy flows there. Negative is already always there. It will always be there. But I can focus on negative, or I can focus on negatives are, let's say, 10. Positives are innumerable.
Makes sense.
So you focus on that and move on.
Very good.
So it will be like this. We have passed 37 years. Maybe another 10, 20, 30 years we don't.
Many more to come.
Many
तक है
more.
जान.
जब तक है तो हाँ, तो फिर we are together. And in a way, we both are supporting each other in developing individually and making oneself strong.
I think वो ही सब कहते हैं ना कि शादी में एक दूसरे के
पूरक
आप
है.
उनको कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं वो
वो
आपको
पूरक हैं और एक दूसरे पे डिपेंडेंट भी हैं, but at the same time independent.
Wow.
If she has to endure her pain, she has to endure her pain. I cannot take like pain मेरे को नहीं आ सकती. So she has to be developed. She has to have that prowess, mental, physical, that she can endure the pain. So that is where I come,
Wonderful.
or that is where she comes.
Makes sense.
So
Chalo, now
that's
let's
beautiful.
come.
It has
no, but
been-
it was lovely talking with both of you.
Yeah,
you.
it's a
And I am so happy that it gives me immense कि सही ट्रैक पे चल रहे हो।
हाँ,
अभी तो शादी के हमारे 3 साल हुए हैं, बट 3 का 37, 57 जितना भी होगा। सो थैंक यू सो मच
Thank
फॉर
you.
बीइंग
thank you very
हियर।
much for
Thank you
giving
so
us this
much.
opportunity,
Thank you
Thank
for
you.
taking the
for
opportunity.
revisiting our life, revisiting our
No, I'm
relationship.
so happy. I'm sure everybody जो देख रहे हैं, हमें कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताइएगा आपको उनकी मैरिड लाइफ से क्या सीखने को मिला। What are some things? I think मेरा definitely take away है to live every day as an adventure. मेरा दूसरा take away है कि जो भी करना है साथ में करना है। मन है नहीं है but go for it. तीसरा आई थिंक जो सबसे ज़्यादा क्रिटिकल था कि अपने आप को साथ में नई चीज़ों में एजुकेट करते रहो।
Yes.
नई चीज़ें सीखते रहोगे तो लाइफ खुद ही लेवल अप होती रहेगी।
Level up होती रहेगी.
सो बहुत शुक्रिया आप सभी का।
Thank you
थैंक
very
यू
much.
फॉर
Thank
जॉइनिंग
you.
इन।
Thank you
हैव अ
very much.
लवली डे।
Thank you very much.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.